In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display two columns on mobile in Elementor quickly and correctly without breaking your desktop layout. This is one of the most useful mobile design fixes in Elementor because by default, a lot of content stacks into a single column on phones. If you want your layout to look cleaner, more balanced, and easier to scan on mobile, this simple adjustment can make a huge difference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and switch over to Mobile View. At the top center of the screen, you'll see the responsive preview icons. You'll usually notice desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click the smartphone icon to enter mobile mode. This is important because any changes you make now will apply only to mobile devices, not your desktop version. Once you're in mobile view, take a look at the elements you want to keep side by side. For example, you might have an icon in one container and text in another container. On mobile, Elementor often stacks these by default, but we can manually set them to appear as two columns. Now select the first container. This is the container holding your first element such as an image, icon, or truck graphic. When you click it, the settings panel on the left will open. Go to the Layout tab and look for the width option. Here's the key step. Change the unit from whatever it is now to %, then type 50. That tells Elementor to give this container half the available space. Next, click the second container, the one holding the next element, such as text or another image. Again, go to the Layout tab and set its width to 50% as well. Now both containers are set up to share the row evenly, which is exactly what we want for a two-column mobile layout. If the containers still refuse to sit next to each other, don't worry. That usually means the parent container is still forcing them to stack. To fix that, click the parent container, the main container that holds both of the smaller ones, then go back to the Layout tab. Under Direction, make sure Horizontal is selected. You'll usually see it represented by a right arrow. This tells Elementor to line the items up next to each other instead of vertically. Then check the wrap setting. Set it to no wrap. This is another important step because wrapping can push your items onto the next line, which defeats the purpose of creating two columns. With horizontal direction and no wrap turned on, Elementor should keep both containers side by side on mobile. If you want to double check that you're editing only the mobile version, look for the small phone icon next to the width setting. That icon means the value you're changing is responsive and applies only to mobile. This is a great safety feature because it lets you customize the mobile layout without affecting the desktop design. Now take a moment to review the spacing. Sometimes after setting two columns on mobile, you may want to adjust padding, margin, or alignment so the layout feels more polished. If the content looks too tight, add a little space. If it feels too wide, fine-tune the width slightly, like 48 and 52 instead of 50 and 50. Small adjustments can make a big visual difference. After everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish or Update to save your changes. Always make sure to save before leaving the page so your mobile layout stays live, and that's it. You've now learned how to display two columns on mobile in Elementor. This is a simple but powerful technique for creating a better mobile user experience, keeping your content organized, and making your pages look more professional on smaller screens. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Elementor tips, WordPress tutorials, and easy web design fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.